Fix iPhone not sending messages to Android. So if as an iPhone user you're not being able to send messages to an Android user, the first thing you want to check is your balance. So depending upon the phone or the network carrier that you're using, just try to check your balance in this case, and once you've done that, you should be able to see if you've got enough subscription or data plan to send a message. The other thing that you have to do is, if you have enough balance but you're not being able to send an SMS, open up settings, then scroll down and go to apps. From apps, you want to scroll down and go to messages app. So we will look for messages app and see if you've turned on iMessage, because if you sometimes you have turned on iMessage, you will not be able to send messages. Or from send and receive, instead of selecting your email, just select your primary mobile number instead. So what happens is you can receive and send messages from a mobile number instead of your email address on iMessage, even if you leave the iMessage turned on. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.